Hello and welcome to Out of Spec Motoring. Today is a huge day for the channel, and I'm excited to show you what we have going on. So this is going to be a behind the scenes content for Out of Spec Motoring. Essentially, this is what goes on when we're not doing fun things. As you guys know, we have our own racetrack that for other stuff, we do a lot of cool things such as automotive testing as well as track days, but I've decided to move the Out of Spec Motoring YouTube team, which might be growing this year coming up, to our facility, and this is the dream YouTube studio. It's so cool to have us up here. I'm excited to show you what we have going on. So let's get into it. So you'll see here, it's all in partnership with North Carolina Center for Automotive Research. This is our facility here. If you're ever coming by, please let us know. We'd love to have you, show you around, but this has got a really cool thing at it. So let me put in my secret code so you can't see it. Oh. There we go. This is going to open up and let me show you around. All you longtime followers of the channel, you know that we love to do cool things with cars, and now we'll actually have the facility to do testing at, drifting, charging stuff. We're actually going to be putting in a whole bunch of DC fast chargers here at this location. It will be, and we're working on this, the only sustainably focused racetrack in the world. So as we come down through here, you'll see our buildings here on the right side. This is where our studio is going to be inside, but I'm going to show you some bit about the facility right now. So that's where our team's going to be. You'll see here on the left here, we're actually going to pave this. This will probably become a skid pad, but for now we have about 40 NEMA 1450 charging points, which are really great. And then the really fun stuff is down this way. So we have our own private racetrack. You can see this is one of the entrances to the track, but we'll come down the access road. Down on this trail, we have about 3 miles of off-roading trails, which is perfect for Rivian, the Cybertruck, all the other really cool stuff that's coming out. So we'll be able to do some instrumented off-road tests and also just banging cars around to have fun. Let me show you this really quick. This used to be like a motocross area, but this will eventually become the paddock where during big events people can hang out here and I don't know, drink their beer and have fun watching races. This is probably where we're gonna put some DC fast chargers. We're looking at some 350 kilowatt CCS units, maybe some CHAdeMOs if Tesla doesn't launch a CHAdeMO adapter. And then this is just an air-conditioned hut over here. So in the summertime, it gets pretty hot here. And then this is our road course facility. Of course, you guys have seen us host Tesla Fest. It's just really nice to have, you know, really your own private racetrack to just come and, you know, wide open power all the way down. But we're not gonna do a full hot lap. Let me show you the studio. Woo! Wish we had track mode on, we could have slid it around. Oh my gosh, what is better than just having your own pile of pavement to do whatever you want on? This is so cool. All right, back up to the studio. Right, we're behind our big building here, and we have this whole middle bay to ourselves. So I guess I'll park the car in front of this door. Let me show you what's inside. This is wild. Now we are sort of a little bit far away from so it's about an hour and a bit drive to get up here, but man, is it worth it. So good thing we have free electricity here. Just joking. So I have this little card. Pop. Oh, I guess I gotta turn the camera around for your reveal. And this is inside our bay. So we have this whole area, which we can really turn into whatever we'd like. Of course, this fuel's gonna get out of here. We don't need that. We focus on electric cars. We're gonna put in a couple NEMA 1450s over on this wall for charging to supplement the DC charging that we have here. We have basically this whole space to showcase cars, do technical videos with. Let me show you in through this way. We have a kitchen. and a nice little office space here, which we'll put in all of our editing stuff, and I don't know what else we'll do in here. Boring emails, I guess. Come on in with us upstairs. Yes, we do have an upstairs, which is so cool. So up we go. Light switch. Oh, that's for the hallway. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, we have a nice little office space, but honestly, we could just turn this into a bedroom if I needed to stay up here, and we can host some parties for snacks and stuff. We have a whole bathroom, and this is the view down to the garage. All right, let's open this place up a little bit. Already got this side going. Wow, check this out. That's making a noise, and this is going. Okay, we don't want to break anything. I still don't know how all of this works, aside from we got some big gears on this thing. So, should we pull the Tesla in, make sure it fits in here? Oh, we gotta get it in just for fun. All right, here we go. Yes, the car is a mess. I know I have to wash it. It's been 9,000 miles since I last washed this thing. Think we can do some burnouts in the garage? I think so. Oh yeah. So we'll probably have to go on this side most of the time, because this is where chargers will be, since we already have power right there. But oh, we got plenty of room in here. So I guess we could put cars sideways and do reviews. How about this? You guys leave a comment below. Of course, this is like the start of our channel officially. Why don't you, and I won't be filming on my phone for the most part, let us know what you want us to do here. Are there like tests you want us to do on the racetrack? Are there cars you want to see? We're starting to get access to manufactured cars for the channel. Of course, there's a lot of subscribers that have offered their vehicles to us. Thank you guys so much. Of course, all of our local friends and family for supporting our efforts. There's a really cool motorcycle shop right over here that's always doing stuff. I'm excited to bring over an electric motorcycle and show them what they can do. But yeah, let us know what you want us to do with this space. But let me show you some of the other things that we have in this building that are pretty cool. We have down here like suspension dyno, chassis dyno, the whole bunch of other dynos, tire changers. This is the motorcycle shop in this bay on this side, but next door we also have access to this stuff, which is pretty badass. So we have a lift that I'll need to figure out how to use. I'm not even sure what this is. Maybe this is to pull engines out. That's why there's a winch attached up there. That thing looks pretty crazy, but there's just like tools and stuff, and so we can use all this in here, which is just insane. So man, I shouldn't go in there. I would definitely break something. To give you a bit of reference, that's the road that we drove past earlier on. This is our building. We have a lounge. We might even put DC chargers here. We really don't know about the plans, but this is our bay. We have the whole middle section, and you might be seeing some familiar friends join us here at our facility to really make this the coolest electric car, motorcycle transportation facility on the planet. And they've actually been on our channel before, so they might be here soon. Not going to say who yet. So this is just a quick behind the scenes tour to introduce you to the new Out of Spec Motoring home. This is where most of our videos are going to be based out of going forwards. Again, we can do crazy tests on the racetrack. It's our own. There are no rules. Just can't weigh more than 40,000 pounds because that hurts the pavement. But we can blow stuff up. We should probably blow up an iNeve because they're really ugly. That's a good idea. Anyway, hope you're subscribing to Out of Spec. Big things coming. I think there's a lot of potential for the channel. We really just want to share all the fun you can have with electric mobility. Thanks for tagging along. We'll see you on the next one.